Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mani tutorial, and I'm also going to review these two plates. These are from AliExpress from major Dijit stores, so I'll leave the link for you guys. Each one is like $1 right now. Sometimes they're cheaper and sometimes the price go up a little bit, but these are the Zjoy, and I got 070. And let me show you the plate. I haven't removed the blue film yet, and as you guys can see, it's a beautiful plate. And I also have Zjoy 073, and it's a beautiful plate. This is the plate I'm going to use on my nails. I do have more plates to review from Zjoy, but today I'm only going to do 2 of them because I don't want to make this video super long. And this is the plate that I'm going to use, like I said. So I'm going to do some reverse stamping, but first I'm going to actually review this one for you guys. I'm going to use some puff sticks so you guys can see how beautiful these are. So we're going to get started. I already have my nails prepared with some polish. Basically I have the base, and it's a really pretty color. This is the color right here. I'll leave the link. See if she still has her store open. I don't know. I haven't checked on her store. But anyways, let's get started, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Alright, you guys, so this is how my mani looks. I think it looks really nice. For some reason, I think it looks better on person, definitely. So I will take some pictures and leave them at the end of the video so you guys can see. But before I go, I just wanted to show you the swatches from the other plate are so pretty. Now the edging on these little plates is really good, so definitely recommend them. I'll leave the link for you guys, and here are the swatches from the other plate. It's really pretty. So yeah, I really like my mani. It looks really nice. Love it. So yeah, you guys, hope you guys liked this review. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.